If you want to find profitable Lego sets quickly this Q4 to flip them on Amazon, this video is for you because I go through a bunch of Lego sets, analyzing them with SellerAmp, showing you which ones I'd buy, which ones I'd pass on, and just how to do this super quickly. So if you want to make some extra profit this Q4 selling Legos, and this works for any other category as well, check out this video and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, before we jump into that, if you guys need help sourcing using SellerAmp, check out this quick start guide. There'll be a link down below. You can see here, this is everything. There's over 20 videos in here going over exactly how to use SellerAmp, how to find profitable products, all that good stuff. So let's get into it. We're going to go over some Lego flips over here. So I just went to Walmart and typed in Lego. Sometimes I really like just manually sourcing because you could just find some deals. So Walmart has a lot of Lego sets right now at the time of recording this video. This will probably be different when you're looking at it, but this video is meant to show you how to do this. This could work on any website, any other categories, any toys, anything like that. And I'm going to kind of run through why I love looking at Legos on Walmart with SellerAmp because it's just super easy. So right off the bat here, we can see here we have some crossouts. So those are blocks. This is Lego sets. Sometimes on Walmart, it just mixes a lot of different things in. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to right click and we're going to hit the SellerAmp right over here. And you'll see it pulls up this exact set. Now, Walmart has this for $39.95. Amazon has this for $39.95. So I don't have to waste time opening Amazon to see if that Lego set is selling. I can see it right over here. A couple other cool features I like about this, if you hover over the FBA, you'll see the lowest FBA price is $49.99, even though the buy box right over here is $39.95. Now, one thing to note about this, I'm guessing people are going to think this is going to go out of stock. So what I want to do is I want to actually open up Amazon and see the Keep a chart to see if we could potentially get a higher price. This is one of the newer features of SellerAmp. Just hovering over this, we also see FBM people are at $47.99. So this gives me some idea that people may or may not be selling it at a higher price, or if Amazon runs out of stock. So if we look at the Keep It here, it's only been 210 days. It looks like prior it was $49.99. So it's hard to tell whether or not people are actually getting more than this. We could scroll down over here. SellerAmp. So it looks like some people, according less than 1%, have won the buy box at $49.81. Other people have gotten $45. So in this example, it's really not going to work. I'm guessing people are betting that this is going to go out of stock. So let's just go on to the next one. So we'll scroll down here. Santa's sleigh. So we're just going to go a right click right over here. All right, so the price right here is $25. Amazon is selling this. The buy box right over here is $39.99. People have this for $44. Now, our cost would have to be $10.89 to get this. If I wanted to pull this up more info, I could do that as well. So if I wanted to put in my cost at $25 right over here, our break even is $38.25. So we would need the sale price to be probably like $49. $49 would get us $9.98 in profit. So when we scroll down here, we do see some people have this at $44. So at $44, you'd be making about a 20% ROI depending on your cost. I'm guessing a lot of people are you have someone over here at 48, you have people at 48.95 as well. So we would try to get 48.95 for this based on this buy cost. So let's see if that is a possibility based on the Keep It chart. This is just a super popular set as well. So we could see here already some kind of volatility over here. It looks like right over here, Amazon did run out of stock. So people were getting 44.79. Now, this is one where you have to kind of be, I guess, cautious or whatever, because we don't know how much Amazon has. But based on this Keep It chart, it looks like December 1st, they did already go out of stock. They did come back in stock, but you could see here based on the past, let's just do over here, this set does go out of stock. So this, you might want to get this. So if you got this for 25, that person got 44.98, I think we said. So it's $5. This is definitely a riskier buy over here. You could see here some of the different pricing people have gotten. Celeram does show you the buy box feature, but this suppressed, I think that's kind of where we're seeing this spike. They did probably, you could tell right here, they did take away the buy box. That's how you could tell. There's no pink line, so all you have right here is the new price. So I'm guessing people were getting 44.79 for this. Again, you just have to keep in mind that they could come back in stock. So this is another one that's like super helpful, where we just kind of hovered over here, right clicked just like this, and it was just like, okay, like we could come to some conclusions that these other people have it listed higher, and they're getting 36, making almost $10 of profit per set. So that's another one. So I'm gonna skip over this one because it's not crossed out. Star Wars tends to do well, so we're going to take a look at this one right over here. All right, so we got this. This does not look like it is the correct one. Sometimes it pulls or it doesn't, so what we could do here is we could just open this in another window, and then we could just highlight all this text right here, and then we could do this search just like that. Well, let me cancel this out. All right. So I'm just going to grab this. We could do search Celeram. So maybe not. This could also not be on Amazon. We could just do Lego 66804 and see. So this may not be on Amazon. So this is one of the cases. Maybe I'll go manual and see if it is there or not. Lego. So it looks like this set is not on there. Sometimes it's worth going manual, sometimes it's not. So we're going to go back and see what else we could find. But it just makes it super quick to kind of go through this stuff instead of having to go back and forth to Amazon. And it's also capturing all this in the history, so I could see every item that I looked at or analyzed on Celeram. So I was like, oh, I forgot that there was some Harry Potter set. There'll be a whole history of items. So this one right over here, the buy box is 140. Amazon's obviously matching the price. If we hover over here, people are looking for 164. That's just not going to work in this case. You're really looking for Legos that are almost half price on Walmart to get them to work on Amazon, which does happen from time to time. This is probably like 40% off, this one right over here. Take a look. All right, so this is selling for $88.94. We'd have to get this for $49.26 to make 30% ROI and account for all our prep costs. I do like this because this is close. Again, this is super close right over here. There is an unknown BSR. 10K a month estimated sales. Sells a lot. So for me, we're close. $10 is, so this is the current price right over here. You see some FBA people have it at that. Let's take a closer look at this one, and then we'll call it a day. It's kind of, this works for all products. It looks like Amazon had this for 99 and it is 11% off. So 288 days. Usually this sells for 99.99. For some reason, Amazon, well, you can see Amazon is trying to drop it down in price to match Walmart. Let's see what's going on here. You can see here, yeah, 88.64. Amazon did run out of stock on this one. So this could be another potential one to look into. So at $59, this is also a good thing you could do is you could just plug in the cost and then figure out what you have to sell it at. So at the current price right now, you'd be making $5 on this. And that is if Amazon shares the buy box. So let's scroll down and see what other sellers. So all these sellers also have it. You could see some people are pricing. So if you could get $98.90, you'd be making $13. This one at $88.94 currently, you'd be making $5, only a 9% ROI, which is not great. Based on the fact that this could get returned. This is a larger set, but it would have to get $98.90 to kind of make sense. It looks like they gave buy box at $89.99. That's kind of why using Keepa and Seller Amp is super helpful. So you'll see this person actually probably did get that if the Keepa chart did that. So this would be a totally speculative buy. You're basically hoping that Amazon goes out of stock again. And sometimes the Keepa chart does not show that Amazon is out of stock and people are actually getting the buy box. So I hope you found this video helpful. Use this for toys, use this for Legos, use this for any category. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.